Hold it right there.
It's me, Johnny.
I knew it was you. I could smell you getting off the elevator.
Our gardenias, Johnny. They're your favorite.
You was here last night too, wasn't you?
I was singing at the Blue Monkey last night.
You was here. And you was smooching with my brother.
That's a dirty, rotten lie, Johnny.
Don't give me that. You've been smooching with everybody. Snuffy, Al, Leo, Little Mo with the gimpy leg, Cheeks, Pony Bob, Cliff. I could go on forever, baby.
You got me all wrong.
All right, I believe you. But my Tommy gun don't.
Johnny, you're the only duck in my pond.
Get on your knees and tell me you love me.
Baby, I'm over the moon for you.
You gotta do better than that.
If my love was an ocean, Lindy'd have to take 2 planes to get across it.
Maybe I'm off my hinges, but I believe you. That's why I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna give you to the count of 3 to get your ugly, lying, low-down, 4-flushing carcass out my door. 1, 2... 3. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.